Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for accepting your free video. So today we're going to go over a few things that you guys can apply right away. And it's really going to help with your online presence and getting more organic leads. As you can see, we are on your website, and it is important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from this website. So it is really important that your website be properly optimized. All right. So, first thing I notice is there's a little bit of content here, but I'm not seeing a whole lot as far as local buyer intent keywords. I do see Salt Lake City water damage. That's about it. Um, yeah, not a whole lot for content going on here. Do a little bit more here. And I'm not seeing any pages. Looks like you might just have a 3-page website, a contact form, about Salt Lake City, and a home page. So you do need a separate page for each individual service that you're offering so you can focus on those local buyer intent keywords. Those are these keywords here. People are actively searching for the services that you are offering. Um, it is very important. Google wants you to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on content on your homepage, or more if your competition has more. You do need to focus that content around those local buyer intent keywords. And if you service multiple service areas, you really need a separate page for each area so you can appear organically in those areas for your services. The Salt Lake City page does have a lot of information about Salt Lake City, which is great, but this isn't a type of page that's going to actually convert into customers. So rather than putting all your content on a Salt Lake City page, it really needs to be on your home page and service pages, because Google has little robots called crawlers that index your pages and keywords so that they can put you in front of your customers. If we look at your top competitor for water damage in Salt Lake, we have AAA Restoration. They don't have a fabulous website, but they do have separate pages for each of their services. They are missing the boat as far as service area goes. So they are missing out on quite a bit of traffic because of that. But they are going after the local buyer intent keywords. And they do have some decent content on their homepage and throughout their website. So, in order to beat these guys, which should be super easy, you're going to have to work on your content and keyword strategy, making sure you have more content and you're dialing in on those local buyer intent keywords and having the appropriate pages that you're going to need to be found organically. But a website alone is not enough to be found online. You do have to support it with SEO. So if we look here, you have a great rating actually. You have a 27 for your domain, which is great. Um, that score is 100% based off of your referring domains and backlinks. You've got 9 referring domains and 85 backlinks. Google only gives you credit for 1 backlink per referring domain, though. Out of the 9, 6 of them are do follows. So only 6 are actually giving you any power. So they must be really great referring domains to give you this type of a score. So that's awesome. You've only been indexed for 4 keywords, but you're getting 0 traffic. And there's a ton of volume in the Salt Lake City area that you're missing out on. So you definitely need to get this website optimized. If we look at your keywords, it's definitely showing us more than 4. Um, but none of them are ranking. There's 10 spots on a page in Google. And so the first one is at the bottom of the 4th page. So you are not going to be found locally until you get these ranked. So you need those backlinks to support these keywords so you can get to the first page of Google. If we look at your competitor, they have a 25 with over 2,000 backlinks and 300 referring domains. So again, that shows you that not all backlinks are created equal. You need to make sure that you're getting the authoritative ones that are directly related to your industry and that they're do follow so they share that power. These guys have 115 do follows, so you're going to have to beat that 115, not just in quantity, but quality. They have more content and pages, so they've been indexed for over 1,000 keywords, and they're getting over 346 people organically to their website. So again, that shows you the volume that you're missing out on, and this is only a fraction of it. And the last piece is this Google My Business section or Google Maps. So 30% of people go straight to the maps and won't go anywhere else. So if you're not listed in this top 3, you're sending all that competition, all those leads to your competition. Now, there are several factors in ranking in the top 3, but the most important are citations. That's going to be the name of your business, your address, website, and phone number, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Dex, Yellow Pages, and Yelp. And so you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitor. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your services and service areas using those local buyer intent keywords supported by SEO. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and that you can use it to start capturing those organic leads. I would really love to get your feedback on this video. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.